So my name is Juliet Ruwa. I work with the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. I'm currently in charge of Mombasa County. What generally we do in the National Council for Persons with Disabilities is to advocate for the rights of persons with disabilities. So basically implementing the Disability Act of 2025 now. We find the new act very inclusive, especially the aspect of guardians, which was not taken care of in the other act. Also, it covers all the 8 domains of the disability spectrum, unlike the other one, which mainly focused on either the physical, the basics. So this one, we find it more broad, and as a council, it gives us more powers, especially on issues of implementations. We're going to have inspectors on this one. So we look at it as the implementation will be quite easy because the council is given more powers to implement. We are seeing caregivers and the guardians coming together, especially forming groups, ready for them to be accepted in getting tax exemption. That is quite excitement for them. We are also seeing more stakeholders coming in, wanting to create more awareness about the rights of persons with disabilities and also the issues of penalties. Because the other one was quite not clear about the issues of penalty when issues of persons with disabilities are either entrenched. So this one brings in more, I think it gives them more weight on issues like that. So we are seeing stakeholders coming in to advocate, to create more awareness, and everyone is excited about the new act actually. For us, we capacity build the OPDs because we look at them as the soldiers in the ground. They carry more weight. They're at the grassroots level, because at the county level, I cannot implement the act or our programs without the OPDs. So for us, they create awareness, they sensitize the persons with disability on the ground. They also create a bridge between us at the county level and those ones at the grassroots level. We are coming in to make sure that once the capacity built on issues of assistive technology, we assist them in getting the funds so that they are able to buy or implement these things on the ground on their members. If maybe the group is able to apply for grants on our side, they are able to get assistive devices which will be able to assist them in their day-to-day activity, especially the economical bit. We also provide assistive devices, the mobility. So once they identify the needs from the ground, they're able to bring them up. We advise them to go for assessment. Then after that, we are able to link them up to places where they can be able to get these assistive devices with ease. And also the aspect of maintenance, because yes, they are able to get these assistive devices, then what next? When something happens or maybe there's an issue about their device, will they put it there and go back, get another one? Or how can they maintain it? And also sometimes we also assist in terms of adaptability. Some of these assistive devices are brought into the country not knowing our terrain down here and all that. So sometimes you take them through the other NGOs. We are able to assist in terms of, we see how these assistive technologies can be adapted to suit our environment on the ground down here. Most OPDs shy off, or most persons with disabilities shy off because they think that these things are already, they're expensive. This is not something which I can afford. As government having the funds, especially the grants and all that, it has assisted to help the persons with disability accept that AT is here and is ready, and it's a tool which can be used to improve our life. So I think there's issue of sensitization for them to accept that technology is here to make your life better. The collaboration between Kilimanjaro and the OPDs in Mombasa and the council, it's a major boost for our persons with disability in Mombasa. And the fact that it doesn't limit age. We have the youth, we have the middle-aged, and even a bit the older generation. For me, it's a plus because this gives us a cocktail of how we're going to use assistive technology. And having the framework is going to assist us have a very clear roadmap on how we're going to use ET to be at least translated down to the other members. because sometimes it becomes difficult when each group in each county deals in isolation. But being brought together, having a common framework which is going to be implemented in the different areas, that's a very good plus, because we'll all be talking in the same language, unlike doing it in isolation. I would also urge the other stakeholders and the other partners within the county, if they're doing issues of AT, let them come together so that we work together as a team. If it's one, we are developing a framework, let's move together so that this information goes into the grassroots with one voice.